In this video, I'm going to talk about the most essential tool of learning. But before I tell you what that is, think about a few situations. Do you remember any class or any incident where you felt that you had understood everything? Each and every instruction was clear to you. And then, weeks later, or maybe 1 or 2 months down the line, when you sit to recall that, there is hardly anything you can remember. As much as 90% information may be lost. Another example. In the classroom, you have no problem reading the blackboard. Everything is so clear there. But the moment the next teacher comes, she wipes the blackboard clean and new set of instructions are written there. Something of the same order happens in our brain. In the moment, we remember everything, but after a while, it's very difficult to recall and retain that information. Coming to computers, have you noticed that whatever you put in the computer is kept in RAM, which is random access memory or the temporary memory of computer? Suppose you forget to press the button save. What happens? All that information is gone. So, how can we have this save button in our life so that everything that we learn gets retained in our mind? It's not very difficult, trust me. There is a scientific way of doing it. That is 4 revisions. Now, how will you find time for these 4 revisions and when do they have to be done? The first revision needs to happen within the first hour of your learning. Second revision within the first day, that is 24 hours. Third revision within 1 week. And the fourth revision within a month. Now you're going to ask me, how is it possible that we do the first revision within the first hour? Because we are as it is spending so much time reading and learning in a school or an institution. Well, I have the answer for that. Usually, between one class and the other, you get 5 to 7 minutes. Those are your precious moments. You need to do your first revision before the second teacher comes in and starts teaching. The second revision has to happen in the evening. So you have to get into the habit of being regular and sincere. Third revision over the weekend. And for the fourth revision, I would suggest have a day allocated. Could be like a third or a fourth Sunday. And keep that for your monthly revision. If you follow this golden rule, it will never happen that any piece of information is lost. So happy learning. God bless. Thank you.